Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll error code 5 in simple way. Let's get started. Error code 5 usually happens because of network problem. First, make sure you are connected with good Wi-Fi or mobile data. Trying to switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find the Crunchyroll app and swipe it away to close it completely. Now open the app again and check if the error is gone. This sounds simple but it works a lot. Turn off your phone, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on and open Crunchyroll app. You can also go to App Store, search for Crunchyroll. Check for if there is any update available. An outdated app can cause error code 5. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. For watching, see you in next one.